in Helsinki.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Maro. Oh, let's get in first. Take a little pause for those of you just joining us now. We are just arriving at Helsinki International Airport from a Schengen country, Copenhagen. And at this point we're going to be walking through the airport, showing you what it's like to arrive at this airport and go down and fetch our baggage. Hello, thank you. And here we are, Helsinki Airport. Just follow the signs. Looks like arrivals is it straight? I'm just going to take a pause here, Maro, so I can get my bag on my back.
It's a nice new one, huh?
It is very nice, wow. So, we pick the walk up again, continuing, and off we go. Maro's leading the way. You can see already the first Christmas trees here. Maro, I think it's that way out. Exit. So you're just following the sign. Ooh, look at that. I'm passing through a lot of shops once you come off. They are all open. Time here is 10:25 on the old trusty Pulsar on a Friday morning. Lovely airport. Maro's told me that they recently renovated. Where's the exit? Departures? Exit, straight down. There we go. Just follow the signs. This airport, they're not yellow, they're the white signs. You're looking for exit signs. One Moomin shop. And the center. Maro, you can't resist. You want to go to the center quickly?
We can go after when we leave.
Maro always loves that kind of stuff. And here we come. Down to the exit. Hey, they have Uber here also. Or what was it called, Uber, this exit? No, but there was Uber before. I'm sure there was. I think Finland has Uber. Down we go. Maro ahead, and now we just want to find the luggage collection area. Again, following the sign, big exit sign, arrivals, baggage reclaim.
See how it's renovated?
Yeah, it's very nice. Lovely airport. It's always been a nice airport, Helsinki. Not too big, not too small, and very Scandinavian kind of design. And we're just going to check the board, Copenhagen, our flight. Number 7. Where's 7? 6, 7, there. Next one. Yes. Look at the luggage arrivals hall. And there are lavatories down here for those of you who might need to freshen up a little. And Copenhagen there. As you can see there, belt 7, 11:15, flight AY952. Might as well go to the end. There's not many people here, so we can stand there and just grab the luggage as it comes out of the conveyor belt. Are you going to stand here, Maro, or are you going to go right to the end? You could climb in there also. That looks like ours. Yeah, it's got that thing on it. Is it ours? Oh, we were special today. Yep, people, Maro grabs the luggage. Not because I'm lazy, it's because I'm doing the filming. Should I lead the way?
Yes.
Do you want me to pull the luggage?
I pull it.
You pulling it? Or pull us through? Just before we get to customs, I'll close the camera because we're not allowed to film in there. And then I'll pick up the filming when we come out of customs in the arrivals area and show you quickly, take a walk with you along the way so you can see what's there.
Find the ticket out.
We're looking for, what do you mean ticket out? Yeah, for the bus tickets. We're going to be using the bus here, but we also need some kind of shuttle service, which Helsinki Airport used to have, and I'm sure they still do have. That'll take us to Maro's sister at a reasonable price. So, customs coming up. So I'm going to turn off the camera like now. And coming out of Helsinki Airport. Yeah, it is very different. Oh wow, it's looking really nice. I think this is where I had to walk in once when I had a few too many champagnes on the business class and I came to the wrong arrivals area or the wrong pickup area. And here we have it, Helsinki Airport. Look at that. A lot of people here waiting to welcome. Nice smells from the different little restaurants. toasts, etc. Welcome home, Maro. Your second home.
Usually my son was waiting here with my grandkids when I was coming out. Now they are in Greece. We see them in December.
In December, another trip. Watch one of our videos. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Also follow our Instagrams and Facebook. Maro, where to next? Taxiway. They're following the signs. Again, we got some signs up there. Taxi straight ahead. Hotel to the left. Car rental straight ahead. Departures, railway station straight ahead. Also buses, hotel.
Kiosks are also selling the tickets. I must go to
Go check.
Yeah.
So Maro's just going to check if you can buy public transport tickets here at the kiosk. She wants to buy a 2-day card. So Maro came to the R-kioski. That's Finland's sort of 7-Eleven. You see them everywhere, R-kiosk. And that's where she bought her public transport card for both me and her. Oh, you better explain, Maro.
So one very good system is when you come out from the exit, there is R-kioski. You can buy day tickets. We bought for 2 days. So when we go to my sister, we already have the tickets for the bus and the metro we're going to be using till my mother and back.
So just remember the R-kioski.
Very, very good. And it activates the first time you put it on the bus or metro into the, how you call that?
Yeah, the scanner.
Yeah, scanner.
Okay, well I'll show you the logo for R-kioski here outside. Bye bye, thank you. There you got some Finnish pulla. And up here is the R-kioski sign you want to look for. So, R-kioski done. Got our public transport tickets. Just going to follow Maro again. Pharmacy, normal. And the signs ahead say straight ahead. Taxis, railway station.
I think that is something that Copenhagen Airport misses.
Yeah, we need a supermarket when you come home late at night and you can't make it to the shops, it's very practical to have a supermarket right at the airport.
That is 24 hours, huh?
That's wonderful. Look at this nice food hall also. It's very, very cozy airport. Very nice airport. Thumbs up to Helsinki Airport. They've done it really nicely. Looking at the signs coming up.
Then when we leave, you will see how lovely the upstairs is, the departure hall.
That's the departure hall up there, Maro's just saying. We'll have a look at that on the way home on Sunday. Let's pick that walk up. Again, viewers, Maro is taking the luggage because I'm doing the filming. But I see some Uber, Maro. There is Uber. Look at 30 minutes metro to Centrum, €4.10. Helsinki city center, 35. We're just checking what available rates are. Maro's got something to say there.
I have something to say because when I came here first time, because the taxi system is completely changed. There are lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and every line has a different taxi company. When I came here first time, I didn't have a clue where to go, so I think I took a little bit Dutchy taxi company, which probably charged me
Charge you a little bit extra.
Too much.
Yeah.
So we must go there and see.
So there's Uber out there, or what?
Yeah.
Let's see. There is a fixed fares, €35 Helsinki city center, ride with a 5-kilometer range. I better just zoom in on this.
I think the Mineva is the
Yeah, the prices, viewers.
pizza taxi. That must be the cheapest then.
What it's going to cost you. Taxis, etc. Turns out that it costs a fortune. It's over €75 to where we're going. Saunalahti, Espoo area. Old days there used to be a shuttle service, but that is no more. So we're going to be taking a taxi. So around €75 is the price. Just following Maro to the taxi lines here. Well, there are different lines. Which one do you want?
Not the last one, the last one.
Which is the cheapest one?
The pizza taxi.
Those are to city, €35. Those one. Yeah, Helsinki city taxi there. Over. I'll go down to a Helsinki city taxi. There we go. Oh, a little bit of rain here. And then we go. So we're taking the taxi Helsinki.